here, a private student, one-on-one, and with her permission, I am going to share this strategy with you guys, okay? So stay put. Our goal is to make about $2,000 today. So we just started this and we are practicing on her chart. She has a TradingView chart, and I'm going to show you the setup, what we have here. So it's Forex, okay? Forex trading. Those of you guys who've been asking about training on Forex, and all these are free. Okay, the indicators that we're using here are free, okay? They are free indicators. And of course, some of you, if you have not watched our previous training on how to use the triangles to make that big bucks using the triangles, go ahead and check the previous training, okay? It's on our channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel. And guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe today. Now, we want to grow this channel, okay? So we just got to 1,000 subscribers. We want to get to 5,000. So 1,000 of you guys, if you can share this with 5 people that you care about, go ahead and share that right now, okay? So like the videos, share so that YouTube can spread this information to a lot more people. Our goal this year is to help about 1,000 people to be able to make money online and replace their incomes. And it is very possible if you learn the strategies that we share here at the Smart Wolf Club, okay? Now, if you're not a member of the Smart Wolf Club community, go ahead and join. The links are all in the description. And the tools we are using here is TradingView, okay? TradingView, that's where we are using the TradingView platform to make our charts. It's free, even though they have a pro option. If you need the extra tools, then you can subscribe to the pro option where you pay a small fee every month and they give you extra tools that you do not get with the free option. But for now, the free option is sufficient. So the link is in the description. Go ahead and open your free TradingView account. If you don't have one, it is free. All you need is your name and your valid email address. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then once you have the account open, come back here and follow this strategy, okay? So basically what we have here is 3 indicators. These are little, some of them are well-known, some are little-known indicators. So the first one here is the QQE signals, okay? You can see that here, QQE. So you just come here where it says indicators and you just type QQ, and it's the first one right here. It doesn't matter, okay? So this one here has about 8,407 favorites, so it's quite popular. You can see that, okay? So just pick that, and we're gonna use default settings, guys, okay? Just to make it easy for the beginners. Later on in our advanced trainings, we're gonna tweak these so that they become even more and more sensitive. But right now, I'm training my student. She's never done this before. This is the very, very first time she is trading on TradingView, and therefore, we're going to make it easy. So baby steps, okay? Rome was not built in one day. It takes a couple days, years, months to learn this, okay? Some of us have been doing this for many, many years. Some of us have been online since 1998, okay? There's a lot of coaches in the community. The Smart Wolf Club community, we have coaches from all over the world, Tajimoto, Tokyo, Japan. In the United States, there's Mr. Baker in Atlanta, Jose in Sacramento, Roseanne in New York. We have people from Africa, Omosus, Lagos, Nigeria, over 13 years, been doing this with us. Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa, over 12 years doing this. If you go to Europe, we have Princess in Berlin, Germany. She's been doing this for over 12 years. If you go to London, UK, we have Mr. Scott, over 15 years doing this. Marcelina from Spain, she's been doing this for many, many years with us, over 10 years. You go to Australia, we have Josephine, who's been doing it with us for 8 years, been doing this, trading Forex, crypto, stocks, digital marketing, you know, where you put an advertisement and put $10 of advertisement, make $100, put $10, $100 of advertisement, make $1,000. All these strategies we train you in the Smart Wolf Club, okay? So one of our coaches, if you join the club, one of our coaches is going to work with you one-on-one, okay? To make sure that you are successful. Now, before I continue, let me put a disclaimer here. Whatever we are providing is not financial advice. None of us is a financial advisor. That's why we use most of the time when you look at our trainings, we show you the demo accounts. The idea is because we don't want to show you our real accounts. We don't have any bias. We don't have any guarantees, because there's no guarantee when it comes to any business online, offline. You can lose your investment. Anything that involves money, investing your money, you stand a chance of losing all of it, all your money, or part of your money. Okay, so be careful. Just exercise what we call risk management. Risk management 101. Do not ever risk more than you can afford to lose. Okay, just go into these trades with monies that you can afford to lose. Money that if you lose, it does not affect your way of life. It does not affect your rent. It does not affect your capacity to pay your bills, capacity to survive. You know that's what we're talking about. So let's be adults, and of course our trainings are all targeted for 18 years and above, people who are adults who can make rational decisions. And of course, don't get overexcited, and just because I know we've been there, been done that. We've jumped from one shiny object to another and never achieve anything. But if you focus, the main thing here is the FCC. Focus. You gotta focus. FCC standing for focus, confidence, and consistency. You have to be confident, you have to be focused, and you have to be consistent. Okay, this is not one of those things you do today. 2 weeks later, 4 months later, 2 years down the road, 4 years later, you're still at the same spot or even in a worse off position. Okay, you have to do it consistently. So the guys that you see are successful in the markets, they do it consistently. They live this, they do this. So we live this, we do this. Our coaches, our members live this. They do this every day. They are down in the trenches. That's why we are not the flashy, well-known, because we are in the trenches. We do this every day. Okay, guys? So with that said, let's jump into this strategy. And here we go, guys. So I have a 15-minute chart. It's GBP USD. It doesn't matter. You can use any asset. Okay, it could be crypto, it could be stocks, it could be Forex. Okay, so right now here I'm just showing how to trade Forex using these indicators. So the first one was a QQE signals. Okay, I told you just come where it says once you have your TradingView set up, you go to Forex trading and you click on indicators. You type the first one is QQE. And it's this one right here, QQE Signals by Colin Mack. Okay, it has about 8,415 favorites. So go ahead and favorite that and click on it, and it will show up there. And then the second one, this is the Super Bollinger Trend Expo. So we're gonna come here and type Super Bollinger Trend Expo. It's this one right here on the top, by Ziaman. Okay, it has about 4,443 favorites. Go ahead and favorite that. In our previous training, we used this one here, the Volume Super Trend AI Expo by Ziaman. If you didn't watch that video, go ahead and watch the video. That's why I tell you guys, subscribe to this channel, because we share some very, very underground signals, trading strategies that you can use to make profits. Okay, stop blowing your accounts, because that's what I hear from a lot of people coming to our community, is that they're blowing their accounts. You can stop that if you follow some of these strategies that we teach. So Super Bollinger, okay, by Ziaman, go ahead and do that. And then the last one is this one here, supply and demand visible range. Okay, this is the lines you're seeing here. Okay, the QQE is the one that gives you the signal here. It says take a short or take a long. How easy can that be, guys? Okay, and you're using the default settings. Okay, so you don't even have to think. We're making it simple, stupid, guys. We keep it KISS. In the community, we teach some of the simplest strategies that anybody from the streets, you don't need to be a rocket scientist. None of us is a rocket scientist. We're just regular average guys learning, putting all this together. The only difference is that maybe most people lack focus, confidence, and consistency, of course, and then learn the strategies, okay? Because you got to learn, practice, practice, and of course teach others. And that's what we do. We teach others. We learn something is working for us. We use it. We test it. Okay, we test and test and test for years. Works for us, and then we teach others to do the same. And now when we teach others, what happens? The master teacher, I'm a believer, okay? So the master teacher says, if you believe in something, learn, practice, and teach others. When you teach others and you get better and they start solving their problems, and when you help a lot of people, enough people solve their problems, your problems start going away, and we are witnesses. Thank you, my friend. We have Rosemary also from Toronto, Canada. Mary joining us from Vancouver. Peter joining us from Nairobi, Kenya. Ahmed joining us from Dubai, UAE. Mr. Singh from Bombay, India. Rodriguez from Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. And many. There's thousands of you guys. I know most of you guys have not subscribed to our channel because we need to grow this Smart Wolf Club channel. So if you're watching on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe, okay? Just take a minute right now, pause this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and like this video, okay? So that YouTube can, start, we need to grow this channel to at least 5,000, okay? It's now 1,000, so if you share with 5 of your friends and ask them to subscribe to this channel, because every week we have several trainings coming in. We have the shorts videos showing, just keep you motivated. And we have the trainings like this one here now. This is a strategy training that I teach my private students, but with her permission, because of her generosity, we are giving back to the community, okay? We used to do this for many years. We've been doing it for many years. Some of us have been online since 1998. But during the pandemic, it really touched our heart, okay? Because we could see a lot of people lost their income, lost their businesses, lost their jobs, and we decided, we're going to share some of our trainings, our knowledge with our brothers and sisters and help them put some bread on the table. That's the most satisfying thing, okay? The master teacher tells us that, okay? We are believer. I'm a believer, okay? So master teacher says that, okay? Help others. Love your neighbor as you love yourself, okay? So we're sharing this for free, okay? With the permission of our private students, we're sharing some of these nuggets for free, and we're going to be sharing more and more and more because we want to help the community. We want to get at least 1,000 people move from low down here to up here, somewhere they can start achieving and realizing their dreams, okay? And we even teach the DGE strategy in the Smart Wolf Club, where we teach you about the dreams, goals, and the execution. Because most people have dreams. Some people know how to set the goals, some people don't. Some people set good goals. They have the dreams, they have the goals, but they lack the execution. So we show you how you can be able to focus and execute, how you can master the FCC principle. That is the focus, confidence, and consistency principle that we teach in our DGE strategy within the community, in the Smart Wolf Club community. So go ahead and join the community so you can become part of this revolution, this journey, okay, guys? So here is the setup. It's very simple. I'm almost done, guys. This is so simple, stupid, okay? Anybody can do this. 60-year-old, 50-year-old, 100-year-old, 16-year-old, 18-year-old, 19-year-old, 90-year-old grandmothers and grandpas can do this too. It's very simple. If you can click the mouse button, you can do this, okay? That's what we did, right? All you have to do is go to TradingView. The link is in the description, guys. Don't be lazy. Go ahead and open that account, okay? I pause here. Go ahead and open the account. All you need is your name and your email address, valid email address, a valid email address, guys, because I know most of you like those fake email addresses. Give a valid email address and your name, because they're going to send you a link to verify your email address. So if you give them a fake one, you're never going to receive the email address, and you'll start calling me, sending me messages that you're not able to open an account on TradingView. I get those calls all the time, those messages all the time, even after I repeat. Use a valid email address, an email address that you have access to, email address that you can open your emails and messages, where you can receive emails, okay? So go to TradingView, okay? First thing you have to do today, go to TradingView. The link is in my description, guys. Click that link, okay? Go and open a free, you don't need your credit card. It's free, okay? Now, if you want to get the pro features, extra features, bells and whistles, you can subscribe to the paid version, the pro version, okay? I think it's like, it's just a cup of coffee, okay, per month. It's not expensive. Most people can afford it, okay? Go ahead and sign up for that. You get extra features opened out to you. The whole world will be open to you and an opportunity to make money online, okay? So that's the first tool you need. You need TradingView platform, okay? Because this is where we do our chatting. This is where we do our analysis, our technical analysis. This is where we do our trainings. So if you want to be part of our community, you need TradingView platform, okay? All right, so go ahead and do that. It's free. The link is in the description, guys. I repeat this. Go ahead and because I mean, I know I talk to people all the time and people don't do stuff, okay? Go ahead and do that. Open the account. Open the account and let's see you inside, okay? So once you open the account, go to the Forex trading section, okay? Once you're in the Forex trading section, go to indicators right on the top there, okay? Click the indicators. Click the indicators. Once you, somebody is calling me, guys, just a second here. Let me just let them know that I'm going to call them right back, okay? It's rude not to answer phone calls, but somebody is. Just a second, guys. Yeah, so sorry about that, okay? So guys, what you do is you go to the indicators and pick these 3 indicators. They're free, okay? Again, you do not need your credit card, okay? Because some people are scared. They're like, oh, this is scam. I don't want to click on links. I hear that all the time. Oh, I'm afraid to click on links. Guys, if they're going to scam you, they're going to scam you, okay? So don't be afraid. That's what we talk about FCC, confidence. You must have the confidence, okay? Go ahead and click the link, open an account on TradingView. Nobody is stealing your stuff. Okay, go ahead, click that link, open your account. Okay, they're going to send you an email to your, they're going to send you a message to your email inbox. Verify your account. Once you open your account, log in to your account, go to the Forex trading section from your home, go to, from your profile, go to the Forex trading section, and here we go. Choose this pair here, GBP USD. And how do you do that? You just come here and type GBP USD. GBP USD is British pound against the US dollar. You can see there are many, many pairs over here. So you just pick the first one. It doesn't matter. Okay, there you go. And then the time frame is the 15 minutes. I do this on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. It doesn't matter. Okay, if you're a swing trader, you probably go to the 1 hour or the 4 hours. If you're a day trader, intraday, I like day trading. So that's what we are saying here. You just go up here on the 15 minute. See the 15 minutes? The 15 minutes, okay? And then of course, you can see the candles we are using is just regular candles here. There are many, many types of candles. You can see Heiken Nashi candles, hollow candles. Forget about all this, okay? At some point, we're going to be using the Heiken Nashi in our next strategy. So subscribe to this channel. I'm going to show you how you can use the Heiken Nashi candles. But right now, we are focusing on just regular candles. This is the simplest way of trading, and the most commonest way of trading is the regular candles. You can see that. And you can change the colors if you like, okay? Whatever you want. You can change your colors here. Okay, so this you can customize, but I like the green and the red. Okay, red means it's going down, green means it's going up. So in a case like this here, you can see it shows you that this candle, so it started down here, the price was down here and closed up here. So it went up, the British against the dollar, okay? So what is happening here is get those indicators right here set up, and now you start seeing the signals, okay? So you can see the QQE is going to tell you when to take a short. Short means to take a sell, okay? So that means the market is going to go down here, okay? It tells you here, take a short. And then the Super Bollinger is the one with the arrows. You can see these arrows here. It's telling you to take a short here, a sell. This is a short sell going down. And here it's telling you take a long. It's going up. Long going up, short going down. You can see that. That's a short sell, that's a long going up, that's a short sell, that's a long going up. And you can see all this indicates to you that when to come in and when not to come in. So very simple, guys. I mean, how difficult is it? If it tells you take a long call here, this is a long or a buy option. Okay, right here, long means buy. Then you just take a buy. Don't even overthink it. Okay, and then we have the supply and demand visible range. Okay, so this one here, the Lux Algo one, is telling us, so once it reaches here, this is like the support and resistance. Okay, so I use this as a support and resistance. So the ball bounces from here, hits the ceiling and comes down. Same thing here. It starts from down here, it goes all the way up, hits the ceiling and it comes down. Hits the ceiling, it comes down. Now it's going up, it's probably going to hit the ceiling and then come down. Okay, so now when do we take the trade? We need at least 3 of these to agree. Okay, if all the 3 agree, then you are in the money. Okay, so like for example here, you can see, sorry, I mean at least 2 of these. I will take a trade if 2 of these agree. So for example here, you see we had this signal here say a long call, okay, and then a few minutes later, a while later, this arrow short, the Super Bollinger trend, gave us a signal of taking a long call. And when we look at where the candles are, they're actually down here at the support. So that means the ball is going to bounce upwards. So we could have entered a long here at the close of that candle. See where the signal appeared? Right there. If we entered there, we could have gone all the way up to this level here. This could have been our target, up to where it hits the ceiling. Right there. You can see that is a 3.01 risk to reward ratio. Guys, you can see that? This is where we're going to put our stop loss right here. Our stop loss would have been right here. Right there. You can see where the stop loss is. Right there, somewhere in between the previous swing low. That would be my stop loss. The previous swing low is around here. You can see this is the previous swing low. And this is where we enter the market. And we would have rode this all the way up here. You can see 177, guys. Pips. 177.58 pips. So if you're taking like a $10 a lot size, if you're doing a 1 lot size, my friend, that would be $1,000+ made in the shortest time possible. Intraday, we're talking about in a day, okay? But we want to target even more, okay? So we could use bigger lot sizes, okay? If you have a bigger account, okay? But you can see the risk to reward ratio is a 3.1 to 1. So for every dollar you put in, for every dollar you're risking, for every dollar you put in, you stand to win $3. So you can easily triple that account, easily, if this holds true. Okay? Now, the market does change sometimes. Okay? So that was one signal that came up here, guys. And you can see in this trade right now, we took a trade here. You can see we entered a little later. Okay, let me remove this. You can see we entered here. You can see this arrow. We entered here, and we are still riding it. You can see now we are up $370. You can see that, okay? We are up $370. And the reason you can see is because we are only buying about 200,000 units of this, okay? Just about 200,000 units. If we went, because we were trying to minimize the risk. My student is scared to risk much. But depending on your risk tolerance, guys, you could come in here with a, if you're higher risk tolerance, and this could be 10 times that. If we had put here 2 million units, this would be 3,640. Right now it's 3,666. 3,660, sorry, you can see that, okay? So depending on your risk tolerance and how much you're willing to risk, then you can work out your goals that way. And that's what we are talking about here, guys. So basically, go ahead and rewatch this, okay? And if you have any questions, leave comments below if you need more information. And for those of you who want hand-holding, one-on-one, you can join the Smart Wolf Club. The link is in the description. And if you want to be trained one-on-one, we have an email address. There's info@smartwolfclub.com. It's still in the description. Go ahead and send an email saying, on the subject line, you can say one-on-one, and one of our coaches will get back to you. We are very busy individuals, so it might take a day or 2 or 3 before somebody gets back to you, but be patient, because the master teacher says, blessed are those who are patient, okay? So you got to be patient. We'll get back to you, and we'll get you started, okay? All right? And within no time, guys, if you practice this, you're going to be making money, and stop blowing your accounts like some of you have been doing that for many, many years, losing a lot of money, okay? You got to invest in training first, learning, okay? When we were growing up, you remember what our parents told us? Go to school, get a good education, and then get a good job, right? And then maybe hopefully make some money and retire when you're with some retirement. But that's not happening now. So you got to learn some of these skills, okay? And you can learn them online. We can get you on a Zoom call virtually and straighten out your thinking, your mindset. First, we're going to work on your mindset, because most people don't succeed in this because of, not that they don't know the skill, but they don't have the proper mindset of a trader, a day trader, a swing trader, a long-term trader. They can't stomach the losses. They can't stomach the markets going up and down. They are impatient. They want the quick riches. Most people they have the microwave mentality. You want it now. You want to be rich tonight. Okay, you want to come in with $10 and make $1 million out of it. That's not going to happen. Okay, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, guys. So you got to have a strategy. You got to learn 1 or 2 or 3 strategies that work for you, and you practice and focus on those. And then every day, you got to be consistent. Apply the FCC principle, the focus, confidence, and consistency. Apply those. And of course, if you do that's going to get you moving, guys. And that's what has helped our community and our students and some of our coaches to succeed. And they are doing this every day. And we're coming up with new strategies, because the markets keep changing every day. The economy is changing, just like the way the news come out and they affect the market. So the same thing, you have to be adaptive. You have to adapt to the changes, okay? All right? When they talk about the interest rates going up, the Fed or the Fed or the unemployment rate or the inflation rate, that affects the market right away. You can see things like this, guys. You can see this big drop over here. This was some news, okay? They're talking about some negative news happened here, and you can see how the market dropped. So a lot of people lost their money here, right here. Some people lost their accounts because they took this trade going up, okay? And of course, their stop loss was probably down here, just below the previous swing low. You can see the previous swing low. So somebody jumps, gets this signal, gets in, okay? Somebody got in here, for example, okay? And their take profit was probably up here, somewhere above this. And what happens? they didn't hit their take profit, and this comes down, tumbling down, wiping out accounts. You can see that. So these are some of the things that you have to be able to have the right proper mindset to handle some of these happenings in the market. And of course, we teach you the skills and strategies to be able to pay attention to what is going on around in the economy, in the news, what we call fundamental analysis, okay, basics. So all that is a package that you get in the Smart Wolf Club, okay? So guys, don't be lazy. Invest in your learning, invest some time, sacrifice some time so you can become a better trader. You can stop blowing your accounts, and you can change your life and the life of the people around you, your community, because we have had people do that. People have changed their lives. People have changed the lives of their communities. Some people trade to help their local church, their local charities, the poor, the homeless, and people trade for different reasons, okay? So guys, there's an in thing that people are talking about now, the prop farms, okay? For some people who don't have a lot of money to trade, you can pass the challenges from the prop farm, and you can use this strategy to pass your challenges, okay? You pass your challenges within 30 days, you meet the requirements, and you get a funded account of 100,000 up to millions. Some give you up to $1 million based on the type of challenge that you go for. Different rules though, okay? So if you learn a strategy like this, one or two strategies like this that can allow you to pass those challenges and successfully trade their money, these guys can give you a lot of money, and you can make a lot of money out of it, okay? That's how some people have changed their lives. So we teach you how to do all that. So guys, subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club channel. We want to get this channel to at least 5,000, okay? So we are 1,000 now. So if we share with at least 5 of our friends, make sure they subscribe, okay? Subscribe them. Make sure they subscribe, hit the bell notification, like and share these videos, okay? Now, if you have any questions, you can leave the comments below, okay? Or you can join. We have a Telegram group, okay? Go ahead and join that. Ask your questions. We also have a Smart Wolf Club group in the WhatsApp for those who like WhatsApp. We have a Facebook group, okay? Once you join the Smart Wolf Club community, you are invited to our secret private Facebook group where you can trade, learn how to trade. Some of these strategies, we share them with the private members, okay? So guys, thank you so much, and let's say a word of prayer before we end. Father, I pray in the belief of the power of the Almighty that anybody who is going to apply this knowledge, this training, they will be successful in the market, and may they succeed in their tradings. I pray this in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Thank you, guys. Good night and good morning and
I don't really
goodbye.
know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.